If I don't tell you that this is cauliflower swallow, you will not believe it. Let me show you how I make this cauliflower swallow that look exactly like garri. Okay, after washing the cauliflower, I cut it into pieces. Now I'm adding it to my blender. I'll blend it until it is very smooth. Okay, this recipe is so easy, like I said earlier. The next thing is I put it in a pot on the gas, then I start to stir it just like so. Okay, if you are trying to lose weight or you are trying to stay fit, this recipe is absolutely for you. Cauliflower is high in fiber, which aids digestion. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C. It also supports bone and heart health. I'm using oat as thickener for this cauliflower recipe or cauliflower swallow. You can use any thickener of your choice as far as it's healthy. So to make it look like I'm eating garri, which is eba, I have to add turmeric to it, okay, to have that feel like I'm eating garri. Okay, you can also do same with yours or leave turmeric out of it. Cauliflower is also rich in vitamin K and antioxidants. Mix it together properly until you get a smooth paste, just like you are seeing here right now. Okay, the next thing I will do now is to add little water and cover this pot to cook for some minutes. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe to this channel for amazing healthy recipes. Okay, so my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you for always staying connected. May God bless you. Okay guys, after some minutes, this is what you have. Just give this a good mix. Can you see how fluffy this cauliflower swallow is? It's very nice. All I need to do now is I'll put it in a wrap it for some minutes and allow it to cool down. Okay, you can enjoy this cauliflower swallow with any soup of your choice. Would you be trying this healthy recipe? Let me know in the comments, and if you have not shared this video, please do so. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel for other healthy recipes. Okay, it is Christmas season, celebration season. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Like I said earlier, you can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. I'm going to be enjoying mine with vegetable soup. Yes, vegetable soup, and the swallow tastes so nice. The cauliflower swallow tastes so nice. With the turmeric I added, it just feel like I'm eating garri. You see, you can you see how it is? This is what I'm talking about. It is very healthy and it is delicious. Let me know in the comments if you are going to be trying this recipe. Thank you for staying connected. Thank you for staying till this time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.